Hello, good morning everyone. It is currently 9:20 a.m. and here we are at Disneyland Hong Kong. We are now heading up this escalator and then there's a bit of walking before we enter into the park. In front of us now is the famous Disneyland Arch, the place where you can take a photo before you enter into Disneyland.
你在那边，我帮你拍一个。1、2、3，再一个啊，1、2、3，OK。
还有。Wait, balik ya.
OK， 用后面拍了。
We are now heading to the ticketing area, but I bought the tickets early on already.
哦，应该有的人去那边住啊。不懂啊。
There's a merch shop here. Let's check out the merch shop. You can get your official Disney related merch.
I think 那个可以 redeem something like 这样吗？不是在里面，应该是something like 这样。
Some of the bag charms, so you can buy these bag charms and hang it on your bag.
Sorry， 女生还是男生？
对，女生哦，这是男生，多少来一个
159。
1、2、3，再一个1、2、3。
Where did you put it?
Sorry.
No.
买个
可以啊。多少？
139。
去买了。
你还看里面有没有？
There's a Mickey water fountain in front of us.
应该是去那个 port 的 PA 这样的。啊，它 PA。
In a while, I will play a slow motion of the fountain. Do enjoy. with some music before I enter into Disneyland later. So did you enjoy that? This Mickey Mouse on the surfboard actually moves up and down depending on the amount of water being pushed.
拿着。
多了吧？最后那边比较少人。
OK，
不过呢，
你去了哈？
还没有。才来买 ticket 的咩？
啊？
进来才买 ticket 啊？
啊，也是可以哦，没有就找不平。OK。
These are the ticketing booths here. You can buy it here directly at Disneyland Hong Kong.
这边才可以 queue。
哦，决定等这样。
Here queuing up, so it's going to be a while before I enter into Disneyland. I bought my tickets already, so later I just need to show the person in charge to get the barcode scanned. It's almost 10 a.m., so Disney is going to open pretty soon.
迪士尼乐园每一位成员，欢迎你今天来做我们的贵宾，我们的朋友。为了你的安全起见，请步行到你第一个目的地，请勿奔跑，谢谢。祝你有开心奇妙的一天。Good morning, everyone. All of us here at Hong Kong Disneyland are glad to have you as our guests and friends. For your safety, please walk to your first destination. Thank you, and have a magical day.
啊，9点多的。
都要8点到。
8点。过后呢？
Thing. Finally, we're in Disneyland here at the main theme park. Just make sure to check the list of things that are allowed into Disneyland before bringing those in your bag. They'll check it before you enter. It is currently 10 a.m. and my expectation is that I'm going to leave at around 11 p.m. at night. So one of the main thing here is do I have enough power to get through the whole day till at night? This is the flower bed here that looks like Mickey, and this is the first place that you take a photo with before heading on to other rides. This is the main street area. Lots of merchandise shop here. But the first thing we're going to do is ride this double decker that is stationed somewhere near here.
那些 right 啦，哦，Mickey Mouse 啊。
You can see there's a crowd. Everyone's queuing up to take a photo with Mickey Mouse. In front of us, that's the Magic Disneyland Castle. That's where all the fireworks would take place. That's where all the princess lives in fantasy, but that's what makes this place magical. As you enter Disneyland, it is a day to not feel stressed and relive your childhood once again. It's a great place to visit if you're here in Hong Kong. This vlog will end very soon in another couple of minutes. This is part 1 of Disneyland. It's going to split into many different sections until at night as the fireworks takes place, because I want to show you what it's like to be here the whole day and actually put the time stamp around these important areas.
可以啊，它是一个 show 来的。 可以去看那种 Elsa 好像。
Here we are in front of the Disney castle. Not many people. It's good. By night, it's going to be packed up. Lots of people here anticipating for the fireworks. So the best time to come is definitely early.
My favorite activity 是坐着来。挪威。
哇，这个好，可以坐在那边。
OK， 去了。
还有一个走的。
啊？可以那样，还有很多。你要